We're talking about peas, carrots, red cabbage, mashed potatoes with no gravy, boiled Brussels sprouts, meatloaf, coming to the table hot. Your friend's mom only speaks Spanish. Quick, how do I say I don't like? Usamos el verbo gustar in español. We use the verb gustar in español. It is the closest equivalent to saying what someone likes in Spanish. There are only two forms that we use in español to say like. We have either gusta or gustan. Those are the only two. How often have you ever been in a scenario where you need to express I like or don't like something in español and you don't quite remember the rules or how the sentences are set up? That's what we're talking about today. When do we use gusta? We use it when we're talking about a singular item that someone likes. Candy bar, TV show, a sport, a car, what have you. Y también vamos a usar gustan when we're talking about more than one item that someone likes. All right, so we use the following pronouns. We have to use these in front of gusta or gustan to say who likes something. The first one, me gusta, singular item. Me gustan, plural items, more than one item. And if I want to say you like, or somebody's asking me a question and saying, do you like something? Te gusta, right? I could be asking somebody that, a singular item, like mashed potatoes with no seasoning or no gravy. So there you have it. Una pregunta muy importante. Usamos la pregunta, ¿qué te gusta? All right? ¿Qué te gusta? ¿Qué te gusta? También tenemos, ¿te gusta? Do you like? We're going to use some vocab here to help us with understanding how to use gusta and gusta. All right? La primera situación. Tenemos la pregunta, ¿qué te gusta? Right? Me gusta la música. Me gusta la música. ¿Qué te gusta? Comida. Me gusta la comida. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're picking up what I'm putting down, make sure you give us a like. Hit that thumbs up so that we know we're producing the right kind of information to help you out. Otra pregunta. ¿Te gustan? Te gustan. Notice that we had that N on there. So we could add that and say, ¿te gustan los deportes? Sí, me gustan los deportes. We're talking about more than one sport. And since it's plural, los deportes, we've got to make gusta, gustan. All right. And did we know that from the jump? Kind of did because of the question. ¿Te gustan los deportes? Sí, me gustan los deportes. Ok, aquí tenemos la pregunta. ¿Qué no te gusta? Usamos esta pregunta en español. ¿Qué no te gusta? What don't you like? O podemos decir, no te gusta, and fill in the blank. Let's take a look here. ¿Qué no te gusta? We have no idea what's coming up in the picture. All right, so just somebody asks off the top of their head, ¿qué no te gusta? This is what pops into your mind. Now, we have to understand we're talking about more than one vegetable here. So our response would be, nuestra respuesta es, no me gustan las verduras. We're talking about all vegetables. No me gustan las verduras. Here we go. La misma pregunta. ¿Qué no te gusta? We don't know what's going to pop up in the picture. This is what comes up. This is the first thing in your mind. No me gustan las hamburguesas. I don't like hamburgers. Remember, we're talking about more than one item here. Again, don't know what it is. No te gusta pizza? No. No me gusta la pizza. The Kimbe Matumbo shake. No. No me gusta la pizza. Now, notice you have two no's here. You might be saying, Profe, ¿por qué tiene dos? Right? Why do you have two no's? Well, we have to understand in Spanish, if somebody says, you don't like pizza, we have to answer the question. It's a yes or no question. You don't like pizza? No. That first no answers the question. The second no makes our verb, I like, negative. No me gusta la pizza. If you're a math person, you want to think about it with like positive and negative numbers, right? A positive number, we don't put any sign in front of it, right? You don't have to. But a negative number, to depict it being negative, we have to put a negative sign in front of it. It's the same thing here with me gusta. When we put that negative, which is no, in front of it, now it makes our verb negative. Pero, and then E being and, let's see what we have here. Me gustan las papas fritas, pero no me gustan las hamburguesas. ¿Qué es esta oración en inglés? ¿Qué es esta frase? Me gustan las papas fritas, pero no me gustan las hamburguesas. Me gustan la comida mexicana y la comida italiana. Notice that we've used these two words to kind of add or denote which one is more to our liking. So in the second example, I like Mexican food and Italian food. So in the comment section below, damas y caballeros, I want you to answer these two questions. ¿Qué te gusta? ¿Qué no te gusta? Put your answers in the comment section below. Make sure if you know somebody that's trying to learn Spanish that you share this video out, share the channel out so that they can start jumping in on some of these lessons as well. Soy Profe Don Omar. Nos vemos.